Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first section A, here you will have to write P for true and S for false. Some statements are there. So the first statement is Jonathan had three grandchildren. Is it true or false?
False.
False,
False, ma'am.
because
4
Jonathan had
grandchildren.
four
False.
grandchildren.
False.
Yes, ma'am.
4 grandchildren.
Jonathan lost his favorite watch. Is it true or false?
True.
True.
True, ma'am.
True.
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 The watch was gifted by Jonathan's dead wife.
True.
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 Yes. Children promised Jonathan that they would search the watch for him.
True.
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 True. Yes. Because his grandchildren told
True.
him that we will search the watch for you. The children decided to search for the watch in the lobby.
False.
No, false. Because they decided to search. They decided to search in the storeroom. Yes, not in the lobby.
Showroom.
So the last, so I'm telling it again. False, true, 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 false. So the last one is false because they
Yes,
were
ma'am.
searching the watch in the storeroom,
The
not in the
storeroom.
lobby.
Yes,
Yes. So now look at the section B. Fill in the blanks by using the given words. Some words are given in the box. The words are tears, Jonathan, children, grandson, and watch. The first one is the dash was gifted by Jonathan's dead wife. The watch was gifted by
Watch.
Jonathan's dead wife. Dash treasured the watch.
What?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
treasured the watch.
Jonathan.
Jonathan was
Jonathan.
on dash.
On tears. Tears.
Jonathan was on tears.
Tears.
The dash searched
Tears.
for more than 2 hours.
Children.
The
Children.
children searched for
Children.
more than 2 hours. One grandson again,
Grandson.
yes, one grandson again moved to the storeroom. Okay,
Yes,
so I'm
ma'am.
Yes.
telling it
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
The watch was gifted by Jonathan's dead wife. Jonathan treasured the watch. Jonathan was on tears. The children searched for more than 2 hours. One grandson again moved to the storeroom. Okay, complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ujan Bhakto, you want to tell me something? Ujan? You have raised your hand. Okay, next to Rifa Tamanna. Rifa? Rifa, you want to tell me something? You have raised your hand? Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the answer of number 3 of filling the blanks?
Number 3 of filling the blanks, Jonathan was on tears. You can also see it in on screen. Okay.
So the answer is here.
The answer is tears.
No, ma'am, there was nothing.
Jonathan was on tears.
Yes, ma'am. Tears.
Yes, ma'am. Tears song.
Next, now go to next page. We will discuss the question answers at the last. Okay. Now go to the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
page. That is page number 12. See the vocabulary section. Section B. Write the opposite words of the following words. Write the opposites of the following words. Beautiful.
Ugly. Ugly.
What
Me.
happened, Divyanka?
Ugly.
Do you have any problem?
Ugly.
Ugly. Ugly.
What happened?
Ma'am, actually Sneha is not in the meeting. That's why she is calling me again and again. That's why.
Sneha is not here.
No, ma'am.
She joined
No,
the
ma'am.
class. Sneha Pan is here. She is in the class. Okay. So beautiful, ugly. Arrival,
Departure.
Departure.
yes.
Departure.
Busy,
Free.
free. Upset,
Free.
upset, upset, happy. Happy, happy.
Happy.
Upset.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy.
Sad. Sad.
Happy.
No, upset me. The opposite of upset is happy.
Happy.
The meaning of upset is sad. Upset means sad. So the opposite will be happy.
Yes,
Full,
ma'am.
Yes,
full,
ma'am. Happy.
Empty.
full, empty. Yes.
Empty.
Little,
Empty.
Large or big? Ma'am, large or big?
large or big.
Large
You can
or
write
big?
large or you can write big.
Big.
Yes, big. Easily,
Hardly.
hardly. Now you are listen to me. I will tell you something. There you can see grammar skills. In this grammar skills, we have learned about what? The pronouns.
Pronouns, ma'am.
Which pronouns? The demonstrative pronoun.
Demonstrative.
And we have also learned
Demonstrative
about
pronoun.
the demonstrative adjectives.
Demonstrative adjective. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what are demonstratives? The 4 words. This, that, these and those. These 4 words are called the demonstratives. They are also used to show relative distance between the speaker and the noun. So, who is the speaker? And the speaker is talking about which thing? The distance between them. If you are talking about a water bottle and the water bottle is near you, then you will use this. And if the water bottle is not near you, it is far away from you, you will write that. Similarly, if more than one water bottles are there, if more than one water bottle is there, it means water bottles. So the number may be 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, but more than one. Then you will write these if it is near or close to you, and you will write those, 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 if that is far away from you. So demonstrative pronouns, we use this singular, this, THIS, this for singular number, and THESE, these for plural number, to refer to something that is here or near, something that is close to you or near you. Then we will write either this or these. These are called demonstrative pronouns. For example, this is my bike. It is singular. You have only one bike. These are our children. Children is a plural form. So here you will write these, THESE. But that and those, that for the singular form and those for the plural form. That means for only one thing you will write that, and more than one thing you will write those. That will refer to something that is there or far from you. So that is our house. You are staying outside and you are telling someone from the outside of your house that is our house. So the house is not near to you. Those are my shoes. So shoes are plural form. This is why you will write those. Note the verb changes, that is singular or plural, depending on the pronoun that we use. So the pronoun that we are using, depending on whether it is singular or whether it is plural, depending on that, the demonstrative changes. We can also use the demonstrative pronouns by themselves. Did you do that? I did like to buy. I did like to buy this. Is there any wrong? Is this sentence wrong?
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes.
will be full stop.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Stop. Full stop. It
Full
will be,
stop.
Which of
This
these
is
would you
question
like?
mark. These two are okay, but the second one is wrong.
The
ma'am.
second one is the wrong one. There will be a full stop. Or if that is a question mark, the did will be before I. Did I like to buy?
Yes, ma'am. Did I like the buy?
Yes. So now demonstrative adjectives. You can also use demonstratives before a noun. So when demonstratives can be used as pronouns, and demonstratives can be used as adjectives also. When the demonstrative will be written before the noun, it will be called demonstrative adjective.
Adjectives.
Suppose like, now go to the next page. This event is boring. So the noun here in this sentence, the noun is event. And we are writing this before event. That is before the noun. So here the this is adjective. Demonstrative adjective.
Demonstrative adjective.
That city is busy. City is the noun. And we are writing that before city. That is before the noun. So that will be here demonstrative adjective. These candies are delicious. Similarly, here candies are the noun. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am. This vocabulary, this grammar skill will become in the exam. This grammar skills are
Yes. This grammar portion, yes. Question will
What is
come from this
grammar?
grammar portions. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Those flowers are beautiful. So flowers are the noun here, and
Noun.
we are writing those before the noun. So those will be
Ma'am?
the
Ma'am.
Demonstrative adjective.
yes, demonstrative adjective. Now look at the
Ma'am?
yes.
Ma'am, you can give questions from the examples also.
From the examples, yes, examples you must read. Questions
Yes,
can
ma'am.
come. Okay. Now section E. Complete the following sentences by using the demonstratives like this, that, these,
Yes,
those.
ma'am.
Dash records do not match with the graph.
These.
These records.
These.
H-E-S-E. These records. Look at dash ring on my finger. T-H-I-S.
These.
Yes. Look at dash rings on my finger.
These.
T-H-E-S-E. These. Dash tree looks very small from here.
That.
Tree looks very small from here because one tree is there. But dash trees look
Yes,
very
ma'am.
small from here.
Those.
Those trees look very small from here. Could you
Small from
hand me
here.
dash bottle?
That.
Could you
Dash.
hand me
Dash.
dash bottle? And
Dash.
could you hand
That
me
bottle.
dash bottles?
Those.
Those bottles. Could you hand me those bottles? Who put those pastries? Sorry, I told the answer.
Yes, ma'am. These also can be.
Oh,
here.
ma'am.
These,
Yes,
those,
you
both are
can
right.
write these also. You can write those
Excuse
also.
me, Alexa.
This particular
Those
answer, there will be there,
In this.
yes,
Ma'am, somebody
Should be
is
those,
telling
ma'am.
something.
yes. Who is telling? Okay, for the last sentence, these you can write these also. You can write those also.
Those also. Yes, ma'am.
Those pastries, I have written those here. Who put those pastries in the refrigerator? Now look at the end, at the
Writing,
bottom
ma'am.
of the last question. That is your turn.
Ma'am, writing will not come from this chapter.
Yes.
From this chapter, writing will not come.
Yes, yes, writing will come. I will tell you that. But before that, you see this portion, your turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Write down
Okay,
the
ma'am.
names of some things which we wear in our wrist and fingers. So I have
Ma'am, I
written,
have written
yes.
rings, hair, bracelet, and watch. I have written 4 things.
Okay, okay. Fourth thing, great. I have written only 3: watch, bangles, rings, etc. You can also write bracelet. You can also write friendship bands. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So many things are there. Yes.
Ma'am, I have written
I have written
watch, bangle, band, ring.
Okay.
and friendship band.
Okay, okay. All of
I
those are
also
correct.
written friendship band.
Ma'am, now question answers.
Band. Ma'am, now we will discuss the question answers.
No, now we will write about our grandparents. I gave you in the
Okay, ma'am.
homework, but now I will write one. You write this one. What I am writing, you
Okay,
write
ma'am.
that one.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please write that homework.
Ma'am, too much noise is coming.
Yes, ma'am. Too much noise is coming.
Mute all.
You can see the
Yes,
screen
ma'am.
here.
Mute all. Yes, ma'am. Mute all. Mute all.
Mute all. You write. You finish writing, then mute all.
So now write. So grandparents are the most important and influential people in our lives. Influential people means the people who influence us. Who influence us to do good things always. And spending time with them is the best time. And spending time with them is the best time. They share their old stories with me. They share their old stories with me and teach me about how to maintain a healthy life and teach me about how to maintain a good healthy life. Gardening, cooking and all the daily activities. Gardening, cooking and all the daily activities. They also play with me and tell me stories. They also play with me and tell me stories. Spending time with them is very relaxing and I love them very much. That's it. This is the last line. So right, spending time with them is very relaxing and I love them very much.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
I'm telling it again. Do you have
Ma'am, I have
grandparents?
taken screenshot.
Yes, I have grandparents. So how do you spend time with them? Grandparents are the most important and influential people in our lives, and spending time with them are the best time. They share their old stories with me and teach me about how to maintain a good, okay, right? A good and healthy life here, okay? It will be a good and healthy life. A good and healthy life, gardening, cooking, and all the daily activities. They also play with me and tell me stories. Spending time with them is very relaxing and I love them very much. That's it.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
Ma'am, I have also not done, but I have taken screenshot.
Okay, if you can take
Yes, ma'am, I also.
if you can take screenshot, take a screenshot. I will also send it in the portal. Okay, tell me, yesterday you got the study material?
Yes, ma'am, I can open that. I can open that, ma'am.
Not
open. I cannot open that, ma'am. I
Okay, I
cannot
will
open that.
See, Divyanka is saying she could open it. So try
Yes,
once.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also.
I
I cannot open it.
Trisha, you couldn't open it.
Ma'am, the English
I was
literature
sitting it
one.
with
I tried.
hours. I can't.
Try. Ma'am, I tried it, but it is not open. Ma'am, the English literature one, chapter one.
Yes, me too. Ma'am, I was sitting it with 4 hours, but it doesn't.
Okay. So you're writing
Ma'am,
it
chapter
complete.
one, English literature.
Yes, chapter
No,
1
ma'am.
English literature.
Yes, ma'am, that I can open.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also.
I can, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot.
Okay, you try.
cannot.
Trisha, you
I
try, okay?
cannot.
You just make sure that you have that system in your mobile that you can open PDF files. Okay, that one is PDF file. PDF.
Okay.
PDF file.
I don't think that it is there.
Okay, complete.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the time is over.
1 minute.
Yes, so that.
Ma'am, time is over.
No. Bye, ma'am. Yes. Bye, ma'am.
Wait.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye,
Attendance.
students.
Attendance.
Again, we will
Ma'am,
meet in
ma'am,
the.
please wait. Ma'am,
Wait, I was writing.
ma'am, see us one time. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
in the next class, I will show it again. Okay, in the next class, I will show it again.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the last time my network's always gone, so my attendance come or not?
Your attendance is given. Okay. Okay, bye, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.